Asking for a taxi.
Hello, are you free?
Yes, I am.
Could you take me to Central Park, please?
Sure, that is a nice place. Please, hop in.
Thank you. How long is the ride from here?
It takes about 12 minutes.
Great. How much will the ride cost?
It will be around $18.
May you drive it slowly? I like to enjoy the ride.
Of course, I want you to feel relaxed and safe.
Thank you. Do you know a good cafe near the park?
Yes, there is a great one 2 blocks away. I may stop there if you want.
That sounds wonderful. Please stop near the cafe.
Sure, we are almost there. I hope you enjoy your day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Talking to a new neighbor.
Hi, I think you are my new neighbor. Welcome to the neighborhood.
Hello. Yes, I just moved in yesterday. It's nice to meet you.
I hope you are enjoying this borough so far.
Yes, it feels very quiet and friendly. I like it already.
That's great. Do you need any help settling in?
Thank you. That's very kind. I still need to find a good supermarket.
There is a nice one 2 blocks away. I may show you later.
That would be amazing. I appreciate your help.
Did you like the house? The sunlight here is very good.
Yes, I love it. The place feels warm and comfortable.
If you need anything, I live in house 203.
Thank you. I am in 205, right next to you.
Perfect. I'm happy to have you here.
I'm happy too. I'm sure this is a great place to live. Ordering coffee like a pro.
Good morning. I would like to order a coffee, please.
Good morning. Sure. What kind of coffee would you like today?
I want a medium latte with extra foam, please.
Great choice. Would you like it hot or iced?
Hot, please. And may you make it with almond milk.
Of course. Almond milk suits very well with lattes.
Perfect. May you also make the espresso a little stronger?
No problem. I may pull a double shot for you.
Nice. May I add a little vanilla syrup?
Yes, absolutely. Vanilla will give it a sweet and smooth flavor.
Thank you. How much is the coffee today?
It's $6.50. You may pay by card or cash.
I will pay by card. I'm excited to taste this coffee.
Great. Your latte will be ready in just 1 minute. Enjoy it. Picking up food at the drive-thru. Hi, I'm excited to order a cheeseburger combo, please.
Great choice. What drink would you like with your combo?
I would like a large orange juice, please.
Perfect. Would you like ketchup, mustard, or mayonnaise?
Only ketchup and your special sauce.
No problem. I will add them to your order.
Awesome. May I also get a chocolate milkshake for dessert?
Sure. Our chocolate milkshake is very popular.
Nice. I'll take it. How much is everything?
The total is $14.50 for the combo and the milkshake.
Sounds great. How may I pay it?
You can pay with card, cash, or contactless.
Perfect. I will pay by card. I can't wait to enjoy this meal.
Wonderful! Your order will be ready at the next window. Enjoy your food.
Booking a hotel room by phone.
Hello. I would like to book a room, please.
Of course. What dates would you like to stay?
I want to stay from June 10th to June 12th.
Great. We have a nice room available for those dates.
That sounds perfect. How much is the room per day?
It is $90 per day, and breakfast is included.
Wonderful. May I pay with my credit card?
Yes, you may. We accept all major credit cards.
Nice. Does the room have free Wi-Fi?
Yes, it has fast and free Wi-Fi for all guests.
Great. May I also check in early?
Yes, early check-in is possible when the room is ready.
Thank you. May you send me a confirmation email?
Sure, I will send it now. We'll be waiting for you.